Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of YouTube engagement. Likes, dislikes, comments and subscribers. These buttons might seem simple, but they hold a lot of power when it comes to the success of your YouTube channel. So let's break down what each one means and how you can use them to your advantage. So I'm going to my YouTube channel. So you can see the like button in here. This is called likes, the thumbs icon. Giving a video a thumbs up is a classic way of showing you enjoyed the content. Likes tell YouTube that viewers like what they saw, which can boost your video's ranking in search result and recommendation. More likes can also signal to viewers that your content is worth watching. While likes are positive, dislike can seem scary. But here's the thing, a dislike does not necessarily mean someone hates your video. It could be they disagree with something from the quality bit, or maybe it just was not their cup of tea. Here's the good news, dislike along with likes provide valuable feedback. They can help you understand what resonates with your audience, what areas you can improve. Now we're talking about this section, comments section. The comment section is a goldmine for engagement. It's where you can chat directly with your viewers, answer questions, and build a community. Responding to comments show you can care about your audience and encourage further discussion. But remember, comments can also be negative. Don't engage with negativity. But if you see a comment, criticism, address it in a future video. Now we are going to talk about subscribers. The main core thing, the main part of the YouTube. Subscribers are core audience. When someone subscribes, they are telling YouTube they want to see more of your content. Subscribers are noticed whenever you upload a new video, increasing your viewers and watch time. The more subscribers you have, the more YouTube algorithm might recommend your channel to others. So how can you encourage this all important like, dislike, comment and subscriber? Likes and dislikes are both forms of feedback, and YouTube algorithm considers both a high like and dislike ratio. Tells YouTube video is generally well received, but a flood of dislike can hurt your video's performance. The key is to focus on creating good content and use the feedback from like, dislike, comment to improve your channel. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comment below what kind of content you would like to see more. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more.